My name is Charvi. Today about telling two hungry cats story. Two hungry cats found a cake on the ground. Both wanted to eating. They started fighting. The monkey said he would share it equally for them. When he cut it into two, one piece became smaller than the other. He took a bite from the bigger piece to make it equal. In the same way, the monkey bit both the pieces. Still there was nothing left and disappointed the cats. Moral of the story, you must like to share what we have. The story name is Lazy John. There was a boy, his name was John, who was so lazy he could not even bother to change his clothes. One day he saw that apple tree in their yard was full of fruits. He wanted to eat some apples, but he was so lazy to climb the tree and take the fruits. So he lay down underneath the tree, waited for the fruits to fall off. John waited until he was very hungry, but apples never fall. Moral of the story, laziness can get nowhere. If you want something, you must be worker. Thank you. My name is Charvi.
Why do we eat fruits?
To be strong and healthy,
What can we make with fruits?
we can make jam juice and jellies.
Why should we eat vegetables?
Vegetables are good for health.
Which vegetable is hot in taste?
Chili is hot in taste.
Name any good vegetables.
Carrot and radish.
Name 5 sense organs.
Eyes, nose, ear, tongue, skin.
How many eyes do you have?
I have 2 eyes.
How many fingers do you have in one hand?
I have 5 fingers each hand.
What do you do with your nose?
I smell with my nose.
How do you keep your body clean?
I take a bath daily.
How many times do you brush your teeth daily?
I brush my teeth twice a day.
What do you do with your hands?
I eat and work with my hands.
Who helps you in your homework?
My mama helps with my homework.
At what time do you have breakfast?
At 8 o'clock,
How do you greet your teachers?
I greet them by saying good morning.
Where do you cook food?
I cook food in the kitchen.
Where do you study?
I study in my study room.
Where do you receive guests?
I receive guests in the living room.
Where do you sleep?
I sleep in my bedroom.
What type of food we eat?
We eat fresh and healthy food. Thank you.
Which is the tallest animal on the earth?
Giraffe,
Which animal has a trunk and tusk?
elephant,
What is the name of our planet?
earth,
How many hours are there in a day?
24 hours,
Which animal is called sheep of the desert?
camel,
Which is the fastest animal in the world?
leopard and cheetah,
Which animal has the longest memory?
dolphin,
Which bird cannot fly?
ostrich,
We get solar energy from.
sun,
Which animal gives us food?
sheep,
Which animal is called king of the jungle?
lion,
Which is the festival of color?